Okay, here we go. This is the 64. Lovely packaging we have here. You would think after 3 years of an Indiegogo and development and another computer made in between, they could do a better packaging job. I've got to say, this is not going to be the most biased of reviews. Look at this. The shipping label. Packaging isn't even closed. It's not even taped shut. Anyways, why don't we get to this unboxing? The one and only Desert Fox cutting her open here. There we have it. Yep, just pull her out here. There you go. Actually, that's the back of the box, I think. Can you flip it over? There we go. So, Commodore 64, or actually the 64, with a full-fledged working keyboard by Retro Games. So this is from the Indiegogo campaign. This is not the retail version. And we have been waiting literally 3 years for this. This one does also come with a joystick, just like the previous one did. And you notice there, it has the VIC-20 in it too, along with the 64 and 64 games. We got an update this morning from Retro Games as well, that there is a day one patch for this. So looks like it includes a new game. What was it? Farming Simulator?
Farming Simulator.
And some kind of other patch for a piece of hardware or something with the USB, I think is what it said. Here, let's flip the box over real quick.
Up on the side? Or you want it in the back?
Yep, just for the back.
All right.
And let's see what we got here for the games. Possible mission. Paradroid, Boulder Dash. Pretty much the same stuff that was in the other one. Well, I'm sure there's some other things in here. We'll go through this all and give you a more comprehensive review here shortly. But we did just want to do this unboxing and break it out. You want to open it up real quick, or do you want to?
Yeah, I was just going to make mention of the fact when you look around here that they worked in conjunction with Calantro, people who do the emulators for the Amiga, the 64.
Gotcha. So, but this is not supposed to be an emulator like the Mini was. This is supposed to be a full-blooded 64, if I remember correctly.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. I think something else that'll be interesting with this is to see how this really stacks up with the products that have come out over the last year, like the Ultimate 64 and Ultimate 64 Elite and the Commodore 64 Reloaded Mark II. I know this probably isn't, designed on the more hardcore end like those products are. This is probably more of a curiosity for a lot of people that have never had a 64, but I've just, maybe my, I forget the words I'm looking for. It's called AGE, folks. Thinking this, forget it. I forgot what I was going to say. Here we go. Let's see what we got inside of here. I noticed we didn't get a handful of posters like with the Mini.
No, we did not. Of course, they could be underneath. We don't.
All right, let's pop it out. How's the action on those keys?
Doesn't feel bad.
That's good. Yeah.
I'm going to set it down.
3 USB ports right there.
Yeah. joystick, stuff like that. You go ahead and run it around on there, however you want to put it.
Like on that side. And we have an HDMI port and a USB port on the back, as well as the power port for the probably a little 5-volt power supply.
Yeah, which is probably in the case here.
And then down on the bottom, look at that, number 303. Yes, sir. It's definitely the early bird club.
Not as tight, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it feels pretty good.
It feels pretty good. All right, so here's the case, the box. And of course, it comes with same kind of a joystick. Comes with a guide. Here, let me get the power supply out so you can see that. There's your quick guide. And this would be, it comes with,
does it have overseas adapters for it?
I believe so, right there. All of them. Different adapters. In fact, I'll take them out of the bag so everybody can see them. Oh, yeah. This here's your European one. That's what I remember. And I guess it's, they just
slide on.
They just slide on. Okay.
Better hope there's one for the United States here.
It's right here. There you go. So you have all your 4
nice. So you got a multifunction adapter there, USB cable.
USB with a mini on the end. And it comes with an HDMI cable.
Very nice.
Very nice. And of course you get the quick guide.
Because none of us know how to use a Commodore 64.
Yeah, well,